Hi everybody! We are in the Caribbean on the beautiful island of Martinique, and we are really enjoying the sun and the Caribbean lifestyle here. So we were wondering if you have ever dreamed of doing what we do, living on the water, discovering all these beautiful places, then this might be your chance because we have some really big news, right?
Yes, we have some big news. And the big news is Noma's for sale! Should I cry or should I laugh?
I don't know.
Okay, it's awkward, but she's for sale. And if you want to buy a ready to go, live aboard boat that you just have to step on board and you can go. Everything's here. She's fully equipped and this is the boat you're looking for.
We have enjoyed living and sailing on our Lagoon 46 for almost 3 years now. We started our journey in France where we picked up Noma brand new from the factory, and from there we sailed to Gibraltar to further equip her as a fully blue water sailing catamaran. Then we crossed the Atlantic Ocean.
In the last 2 years we've been discovering the Eastern Caribbean that was so beautiful, and then like you saw in the videos we sailed to New York all the way up the east coast of the United States. That was also fun. It was a really, what is it called in New York? Like it's a check mark, bucket list thing. That was fun. And then we sailed back to the Caribbean and this is where we are now.
Of course, we realized that we've only seen a small part of the world so far and that there is a lot more to discover, which is all perfectly doable on our amazing boat. But we're going to take a break from living aboard for now because Liam and Sky are growing up. They are becoming teenagers and they are craving for a bit more stability in life. They miss their family in Europe, as do I, and they would love to be able to spend some more time with their friends and maybe even go back to school.
We will not stop traveling our adventure, but it won't be on a boat for the next few years, I can tell you that. But I have another project going on, something with boats, so we're looking forward. I'm not gonna tell a lot about a new project. Keep it a secret. It's a little bit secret. And we'll see when new challenges cross our path. There are already some exciting ideas for the future, but we'll keep those as a surprise for now.
Since we rarely make long-term plans and we like to take life as it comes, we will just see what the future brings and we will show you along the way. So Sven and I will explain you a bit more about the specifics of our boat. You can also read all about it on our website, the link is in the description. And if you would like a tour, you can watch one of our previous episodes.
Yeah, there's an episode around the full boat tour. So
yes, I will put that link in the description as well, so you can find it there.
So let's dig into the specifications. One of Noma's major assets is a custom-built water maker, which can fill a 600-liter tank in just a few hours. You can literally take a shower under it. Another one of our projects that we are very proud of is our solar array, which is huge or big. It has 2,200 watts of solar. It's beautiful, a good looking thing. It provides shades for our dinghy, and it's also charging the lithium battery of 15 kilowatt that we have on board. The lithium bank can run all our electrical appliances, even the air conditioning if needed on hot days. So our boat is also full equipped with airco in the cabins, in the saloon. That's a nice thing to have.
We don't have a genset simply because we don't need it. On cloudy days we can always generate electricity with the port engine if necessary.
I installed a 58 volt alternator on one of the port engines, so it charges the lithium very quick. This is a 5 kilowatt alternator, so in just a few hours or under an hour this lithium battery is full.
Since Noma runs on 220 volts, we are happy to leave our kitchen appliances on board if you wish. Then we talk about our air fryer, electrical barbecue, KitchenAid, blender, toaster, and lots of other things. Printer, yes, television.
In the galley we also cook fully electrical. There's no gas on board anymore. We cook induction, and we have installed an electrical, it's a induction oven.
Combi oven, it's a microwave, a grill, oven.
And that's working very, very, very quick.
Yes, a lot easier than the gas oven.
We have also an optional large freezer and a large fridge, so it's plenty of space. You can easily take for 6 months food on board and leave
Yes,
your country.
indeed. And we love our dishwasher and our washer dryer.
Yes, our washer dryer, that's really a must-have.
Yes, so easy.
Another thing I like is the inside helm station. So that we have a, 12-inch touchscreen on the inside on the helm station. So that's so fun to navigate when there's a little bit of rain or and you have to come inside. You can just sit, relax, have a look around. If you're sailing the sea, now and then look at the screen. That's it. If the sails are set, it's set.
And last month we removed all the bottom paint and we replaced everything with the new primer and anti-fouling. So that's all brand new.
All the sails are in good condition. And we also have a code 0 and we have an asymmetrical spinnaker that you can use in low wind conditions.
We have the hardtop bimini on the flybridge and the full enclosure for the flybridge and also for the cockpit, which we love and which is ideally for sailing and living in colder conditions, which we had to use a few times already. And yes, that really comes in handy.
You can see that on our videos too.
Yes, if you watched our videos, you certainly saw that. And when we're sailing in a hot climate like this, then we love using the sunscreens to keep the direct sunlight
These
away.
ones, yeah, they're nice too.
Yeah.
Also for this we have a full enclosure when it's cold, but in the hot climate we like the shades ones. Okay, the shaded ones. We have a big spade anchor, and we have a delta anchor that was a standard anchor, and a standard chain on it. So.
We use it as a spare.
Yeah, that's we use
Or
it as
the
a
second
spare.
one.
Together with the dinghy, the high-field Hippolon 340, that has an aluminium bottom. That's very nice, handy to go on the beach. And it also has a console with a steering wheel, and that's fun to drive with.
Fun.
Even the kids love it.
Yeah,
Everybody loves
the
it.
kids love that a lot.
My
And
brother was
me as well.
Everybody wants to drive it.
Yeah. There are definitely a lot of other features that we forgot to mention. But in fact, Noma has everything you need to just step aboard and sail away. And everything has been well maintained, so she's in tip-top shape.
Yeah, I'm onto it, on top of it all the time.
Yes, so we're actually a bit sad that we're selling her, but yeah.
Life goes on, you know.
Yes, we're ready for new adventures.
Yes. And maybe you are ready for a new adventure.
Yes, so if you have any more questions, anything at all, don't hesitate to contact us. You can email or message or whatever you want, and we are happy to answer all your questions.